Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I am the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk about one really important thing to consider when hiring or when interviewing or when meeting with a San Diego criminal defense law firm, and that is, how does that law firm present itself? Both from an aesthetic standpoint, meaning the attorneys and their firm as a whole, what their office looks like, what their attorneys look like, but also what type of structure and organization does that firm have as part of its existence, and how that organization and structure matters and why it should matter to you. So let's start where we left off, talking about organization and structure. There are a lot of firms and a lot of attorneys, particularly in San Diego, for better or worse, that, they're answering their own phones, they're running to court, they're taking calls, they're rushing their clients off the call, missed call here, voicemail there, email here at weird times, and it's really communication is one of the biggest issues that we hear about when a potential client or a family member comes to our firm and says, hey, we hired so-and-so, that's not working out, we want to make a change, we heard good things about your firm. And one of the things we always ask is, well, why do you want to make the change? And they always talk about communication, lack of structure, lack of organization. Sometimes their attorney gets back to them in a couple of hours. Other times it's a couple of weeks. That's just not something that we deal with and we tolerate at my firm. And it's important to understand why. When you interview, when you hire a law firm with structure, with organization, it's to benefit the client. It's to benefit the client's case. And it's a preview in many ways of what type of representation you could expect if you ultimately engage the services of that firm. So if you call a law firm and you want to hire them and they're a complete mess, they don't have rules, they don't have policies, they don't have a system of when you call, who you speak to, when your case evaluation is going to be, get you information about that, structure within that case evaluation, structure within the firm. Well, if they're all over the place and scattered, you really can't expect anything more if you actually pay them good money to hire them. And your case is going to be handled like that, unorganized, without structure. And one of the things you really want to look at, and we touched upon it a little bit earlier in this video, is the appearance of the law firm, and that includes their office, right? How organized is that office on the inside? How well is it decorated? Does it look unorganized? Is it messy? Is it sloppy? Are the attorneys messy in their appearance? Are they sloppy? Now listen, we need to be real about a certain thing here. How an attorney dresses is not the end-all be-all of what type of lawyer he or she may be. But it is an important sign that you should look at in determining, hey, if they're not able to take care of themselves or don't take pride in their own appearance, and they're going to be my voice, they're going to be the representation of me to the judge, to the prosecutor, to the court staff, possibly to the jury, what does that say about how they're going to handle my case? All important things to look at: the appearance of the office, the appearance of the attorneys and the staff, as well as the organization and the structure of the law firm, how that could all benefit you. If you have a question about this video or about anything involving criminal defense in San Diego, we're just one phone call away, 619-295-3555. Again, David Shapiro, San Diego criminal lawyer.